Hi, it's Anna from annacooling.com, and I just wanted to shoot a very quick video ahead of today's ECB interest rate decision and Draghi press conference, because what we've seen this morning is pretty much universal euro buying. And what I've got here is what I call my euro complex workspace, and as you can see at the top, I've got the euro dollar, I've got the euro yen, I've got the euro pound, I've got the euro Aussie at the bottom, the Canadian, and the euro New Zealand. And I've got it on the 4-hour chart just to give us a sense of the strength, if you like, of the euro buying, as I said, against its against various counterparty currencies. And I have to say it's quite unusual, because under normal circumstances, when we have an important item of fundamental news, such as an interest rate decision and the press conference by Draghi, which can cause a lot of volatility, traders tend to, things tend to quieten down. They, charts will go into consolidation while we wait for the release. I mean, the consensus today seems pretty much that interest rates, they're not going to be cut any further, and maybe the market is thinking that they are anticipating that he's really not going to say too much to rock the boat. I'm always very, very skeptical of when I read comments, that people make these very positive statements, strong statements, as if they can predict, anticipate what is going to happen. All I can suggest is that we look at the chart, we look at our currency strength indicator over here, or to the left of this workspace, which I'm just going to pull out a little bit, because what's been interesting is if we first of all look at the daily chart. The euro is this gold line, and I'm just going to take some of the other currencies off because it really gives them a much better perspective. What we can see here is the euro has pretty much been in a strong sell with some momentum. We know that because the line is very steep. But today we've just seen it's sort of moving sideways slightly, and the reason for that has been, as I said, this buying that came in overnight and in this morning session. The other reason for looking at the 4-hour charts, because when we trade, we have to try and benchmark. We have to compare, if you like, the chart that we are trading against a slower time frame, and then obviously a faster time frame. And what the 4-hour chart, particularly if you are a swing trader, is where you will see the pullbacks, as it were, in the longer term trend for the pair that you are trading. And as I said, under normal circumstances, we don't normally get this sort of reaction in a currency ahead of an important item of use. Now, you could also interpret it as saying, well, is this actually setting up for a major fall in the euro? Is Draghi going to say, something that the market is not expecting, and the trend that we have seen on the daily chart for the euro, i.e., on a sell, that is going to be reinstated, and traders have perhaps been sucked in on the wrong side, misinterpreting what has been said in the media. As always, it's all good fun for forex trading. It's something we have to be aware of. If you are on the faster time frame charts this morning, you certainly would have been able to take some pips by buying the euro. For myself, I would now suggest possibly closing out, waiting for the news to come out, and then seeing what the market reaction is likely to be. And perhaps I'll do another video as a follow-up to what happens in the interest rate decision, and obviously more importantly what Draghi has to say. I hope you've enjoyed that. Good trading, stay safe, and I'll catch you next time. Take care. Bye.